Coffee is Jamaica's most famous bean. There's no question about that. Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee makes one of the world's best brews. That's the positive reputation the tourism ministry seeks to capitalize on as the country hosts the inaugural Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee Festival, March 23 to 25 at Newcastle, in the cool hills of the country's highest peak.
We, the members of the Jamaica Coffee Exporters Association, are extremely delighted to endorse and be a part of this year's staging of the Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee Festival in association with the Tourism Linkage Council, the Tourism and the Agricultural Ministries.
After crude oil, coffee is the most sought-after commodity in the world. Its export is estimated at $20 billion, mostly consumed by industrialized countries such as Japan and the United Kingdom. Coffee is Jamaica's gold. It is a major income earner for the country, with about 7,000 coffee farmers across the island.
Based on recent reports from the Coffee Industry Board, the coffee industry generates last year some $17 million in export. The value chain of the Jamaican coffee industry starts from the coffee fields in rural communities to our factories, some in rural communities and others in industrial zones, to our hotels, supermarkets, inbound shops, in resort areas, and of course, to the world, namely Japan, United States, Europe, China, Taiwan, just to name a few countries.
We're exploring various options for the products, and we would like to expand the coffee industry such that the pharmaceutical industry, the beauty and cosmetic sector, and gastronomy will look to the hills, our hills in East Rural, as the source for sustenance.
Now that you're reminded of the value and potency of the Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee, let's find out what will be the features of the festival.
This signature festival will be a 3-day celebration of all things coffee, with lots of sampling, food demonstrations, workshops, exhibitors' booths, live entertainment, a barista competition, and the opportunity to purchase high-quality coffee and other products. It is definitely a must to be there event for coffee lovers and aficionados. The festival will also bring together local and international coffee connoisseurs, coffee suppliers, foodies, and other interested parties from local, regional, and international markets, including Cayman, Trinidad and Tobago, and Barbados, as well as the UK, the USA, Europe, and Canada. Our intention is to build out a series of experiences around one of our most iconic brands.
Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee Festival, another notch in promoting the country as a gastronomy destination.